If you get this IO error on qBittorrent whenever you try to start the download, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now first, make sure your disk isn't full. You can go to your file explorer and make sure your disk isn't full. If your disk is full, you can try to clear up some space, then try to check if the problem has been resolved. Now, if you do have enough free space but you're still facing again the same issue, which is IO error, now follow the instructions here. If you have moved the completed downloaded files to another drive, the issue usually happens because qBittorrent still expects those files to remain in their original location for seeding. When the client can't find them, it throws an IO error. So let me repeat. If you have moved the completed downloaded files to another drive, the issue usually happens because qBittorrent still expects those files to remain in their original location for seeding. When the client can't find them, it throws an IO error. Now here's how to fix the problem. First, stop the torrent. Right-click the torrent in the qBittorrent and select pause or stop. Now step 2, set move the files to do not download. In the content tab of the torrent, uncheck any files you have already moved to another location so qBittorrent won't try to access them again. Now force recheck. Right-click the torrent and select force recheck. This will make qBittorrent verify the files still in the download folder and ignore the ones you've unchecked. So right-click the torrent and select force recheck. This will make qBittorrent verify the files still in the download folder and ignore the ones you unchecked. Now resume the torrent. Once the recheck is completed, start the torrent again. It should now continue downloading without throwing an IO errors. Repeat as needed. Every time you want to move a completed file, pause the torrent first, uncheck that file, force a recheck, then resume. Now here's a pro tip. To avoid this hassle in the future, download directly to your external hard drive or the final storage location instead of moving files afterward. This way, qBittorrent always knows where the files are and you won't run into IO errors. Now, if you've done so but are still facing again the same issue, the IO error on qBittorrent might be the sign of a disk failure. Try performing a drive check for any errors. So you can open your file explorer by pressing Windows+E. And then select the disk that you want to download the files into. For example, my disk is this one, which is C. Just select it and then right-click in this and then go to Properties. Go to the Tools tab here and then make sure to select here Check. Now select here Scan Drive. Then this can help you. You can keep using the drive during the scan. If errors are found, you can decide if you want to fix them. So this will help to fix any errors that are found on the drive. This can help you repair your drive and it can help you fix these errors on IO error on qBittorrent. If it all fails, just reinstall the qBittorrent. You can just uninstall it by come here to the search bar, type programs. So select here add or remove programs. On the search bar here, type for qBittorrent. Select the qBittorrent. On the three light dots here, select it and then select uninstall. Go to the official website, which is qBittorrent.org. Go to the download section here and make sure to download the latest version of qBittorrent, which is 5.12 at the time of recording this video. This can help you resolve this problem. But in most cases, if you've moved the completed download files to another drive, the issue usually happens because qBittorrent still expects those files to remain in their original location for seeding. When the client can't find them, it throws an IO error. You can follow these instructions and it can help you resolve this problem.